Hi everyone, we got ourselves fresh to the floor. 2025 Road King Special Dark Billiard Gray. We'll start in the front, work our way to the back. We got the sweet blacked out wheels, black front end, LED headlight, also black of course. Smoke turn signals. Got a 114 cubic inch motor, 6-speed transmission. This is the Milwaukee 8. Black and gray looks super good. Got ABS, security, cruise control, traction control, cornering ABS, cornering traction control. With it being a Road King Special, you got the stretch bags on there, showing off the dual exhaust. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We're at 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.